Yes, I would like to thank you for responding to my ad, or if we had a phone interview and I told you to watch this video is for you. In this video, I will be explaining what you will be doing and how you will be getting paid. What you will do is take calls from interested callers that are looking to get started or looking for work from home, and you will be assisting them in signing up with Level Rewards. But don't worry, guys, we do all the heavy lifting for you. All you would have to do is learn a 5-minute script to qualify your callers. Once you qualify your callers and they want to get started and they want to work from home, because at this position you will act as a recruiting specialist for GC Marketing, which is our advertising company. Level Rewards is just our parent partner site that pays our reps for bringing in new members into the network. But like I said, you will just be taking calls and qualifying callers. That's it. We handle the registration and setting them up with their site just like yours. We do all that for you in our conference call that we have every day. So guys, and another thing, Cash App. To get started with us, please download Cash App so you can get this virtual debit card to get started with us, because it's going to be some out-of-pocket costs because we have offers, and these offers qualify you to get paid. All these offers are from Fortune 500 companies, and they pay us for people to try their free trials and products and services. But the unique way about our call center is for every qualified caller that wants to come through and work for us and recruit others, they get paid instantly. But like I said, you must have Cash App to get started so we can load it and get your $5 bonus going so you can come to Level Rewards. Once you get registered, you gotta see, guys, because in the other video I send you, I tell you how to get registered. But once you're registered, you come in your back office and you complete your offers. You complete maybe 4 low-cost free trial offers. That's going to cost you minimum $4 out of pocket. But you don't have to worry about that $4 out of pocket because we provide that for you on your debit card to get started, and so on and so forth. For every other rep that you bring through our system, we do that for. So there's no out-of-pocket cost for anyone to start working with us and taking calls on our dollar system. I'd like to thank you for tuning into this video and training and intro on how to get started and how to get started working with us. Thank you, and I'll see you next video.